Then I'm just going to use the whole template. I'm going to use this for my top edge, but that top edge is 1.25 inches higher than the very center of this template. Okay? And so that's the first thing I've got to decide. And so I measured up 1.25 inches up here. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. And I'm just going to take a little piece of masking tape and I'm going to put it, I'm going to hold it up and I'll clean off these pencil marks afterwards, okay? That's my top of the template, and so I'm just going to hold it right there. I'm going to put a piece of tape. Okay, that's my starting point. Now I can hold my my level up there and see where I have to go from there, right? I can measure off the floor, I can measure from the ceiling down on both sides. You know, there's all kinds of different things I could do. But I'm going to make some adjustments here. If I need to lower this down, I will. Looks like the top right is higher than the left top. Okay, so I'm just going to hold it on my paper. Oh, it's way higher. I can see. Okay, so I'm just gonna raise that, but in actuality, I'm gonna lower the right-hand side. Okay. And I'm gonna go back and forth a little bit like that because I'm working from the center. If you were working off to the side, you could put your little piece of masking tape right there, and then you can eyeball this across, put your level on there, and then know, okay, this side over here, I gotta raise. Just pull the masking tape off a little bit, raise it to 16th, check it again, and that kind of stuff. Okay, so back and forth I go. I'll get this because I want this to be level. And son of a gun, I almost got it perfect. And so what I'm gonna do, and I could use the line in the middle of that top little screw hole. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take this over here and I'm gonna hold it up there, right where it needs to go. And I can see this bottom, this left, it needs to go down just barely. Okay? So I can hold that like that and just lower that side down over here. And I just lowered it just barely. And I think I'm good right there. I'm going to hold it up there again. And that looks mighty fine. It looks just peachy. If anything, it looks just a hair low now. I think I got to go back up just a hair over here. Just a bit, not much. Okay, right there. That's why it's important not to throw away this or not read your directions or anything like that. You know what I mean? Because I want this as straight as I can get it, really. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a piece of tape over there. And I'm even gonna do it right there to keep that nice and straight. Okay. There's my template. Gotta do that. Now I can just mark off of that. You don't want to throw that away and just say, oh yeah, I'm just gonna measure this from the center to the center and set it up there and that kind of stuff. And then you find out you're slightly off or something. And I don't want to be slightly off. I want to be exactamundo, because when this comes down, I have a feeling it's going to be right exactly where it's supposed to be. And there's not going to be much adjustment there. And like I said, I wish they would have made this little hole oblong so that you could slightly either way. You know what I mean? Okay, so next step coming up